Okay, so now we'll move on to the next topic, that is narrow band reject filter. It's also called as notch filter. So I'll explain why we call it as a notch filter. So it is commonly used for the rejection of single frequency such as 60 Hz power line frequency hum. So here if I want to eliminate or reject a particular frequency component of the input, then we can use this filter to eliminate that frequency component. So here I have taken the example as 60 Hz. This is a 60 Hz is the frequency of the input which can be rejected or eliminated from the input signal. Here first we have composed the passive filter of two T-shaped networks. Okay, so I will show you why it is called as T-shaped networks. Okay, and another thing, here the notch out frequency is the frequency at which the maximum attenuation occurs, and it is given by f equals to 1 by 2 pi RC. This is the formula of frequency. Using this formula, we can obtain or we can design the 60 Hz value, okay, by selecting the resistors and capacitor value. So for example, if I want to design this circuit only to attenuate or eliminate 60 Hz frequency by selecting the capacitor value less than 1 microfarad, okay, then I can find the value of resistor R by substituting C value and the frequency which we have known, that is 60 Hz. So based on that we can find the value of R. If you won't select the capacitor value less than 1 microfarad, then the resistance value comes within the range of kilo ohm. So that may not limit the current or sustain the heat of the circuit. That's why we need to select the capacitor value less than or equals to 1 microfarad. So now look at the circuit diagram of passive here. So here it is called as twin T notch filter. Why we call it as a twin T? Okay, so here it has two T networks here. So the first network is from selecting two resistors and one capacitor. This is a 1T here, and another one it is selecting two capacitors and one resistor. So hence it is called as 2T network. And why we call it as a notch here? Okay, so this is notch because when it will attenuate a particular frequency, okay, so it reaches to 0, that the gain of this circuit will reaches to 0, okay, and again it will increase or decrease. So based on this notch shown in the graph, it is called as a notch filter. Okay, so now here it is connected with the op-amp which acts as an voltage follower, because the inverting terminal is directly connected as a feedback. So whatever the input will comes at the output, which is amplified here. So here when the input is applied and the value of resistor and the capacitor of this network is selected in such a way that only the selected frequency component need to be rejected. So that is taken care by this T network. Okay, so which is shown here. Here initially it acts as a low pass filter until the cutoff frequency FH is appeared from the input signal. So once it reaches the higher cutoff frequency, okay, the output voltage falls at a rate of 20 dB per decade. So when the frequency which is selected for the rejection, then again it will increase the gain at 20 dB per decade, and it acts as a high pass filter and allows the frequency component at the output side. So like this, by selecting the proper value of resistors and the capacitor in the T network, it will reject the particular frequency component of the input signal and sends to the or allows at the output side. So this is about narrow band reject filter. And another important thing here, the main application of this kind of filter is in communication system and biomedical instruments for the elimination of undesired frequencies. Okay, so the design is same here. You have to select the frequency which is need to be rejected, that is Fn here. Select the value of C less than 1 microfarad or equal, because we need to calculate the value of R in the terms of kilo ohms. Once we know the value of frequency and the capacitor, substitute in this, we will get the resistance value. So based on that you can design narrow band reject filter. So there is one problem solved here using that concept. Just go through this, you will understand. Okay, so this is about narrow band reject filter. Thank you.